Currently running the APR-5000-XL on the small heater. The graph seems to be steady. The thermocouple is reading a good temperature here. It's following the bottom heater graph. We're not using a nozzle at the moment. We're just testing out the actual system, if it's going to just follow the proper path. And so far it is very stable. Top heater on high airflow. Now it's going to the next level. It's going up with it, and should be at 200. And we're going to do the reflow at 240. The actual board is at around 180 right now. It's going up. With it. You can see right here about 176 for the thermocouple. Bottom heat is 166. I don't think this is the first try. I don't think we're gonna reach reflow temperatures with the heating the way it is. So let's see if we're going to be able to reach with the thermocouple what temperatures we're going to be able to reach here. Mind you, leaded solder is 225, so we're only running with the small heater. Top heat 240. $193. I believe it's going to end at 194. So we might want to raise the bottom heater up a little bit to be able to reach those temperatures.